on a Wednesday evening, and we are in the midst of a very large unboxing spree because I've just had stuff piling up. I need to review it, and I'm gonna just grab this parcel, and I wish I could show you how cool the box looks. I mean, I think I can show you just like this. It's from a brand called Ernest Thomas and Co, and they're that sort of traditional barber sort of feel about it. It's like traditional products, that's what it feels like, but they put a stamp on the box because it just looks really awesome. It's got like the batch number, it's got someone's signature in to say like they've authorized it, it's got the date in which it was sent out, which is like a fictitious date. It gives that old sort of vibe from the 40s there, and it's got warmest regards, Ernest Thomas and Co, and it's just a really good first impression. So Ernest Thomas and Co are the brand. Let's just open this up. Just got products everywhere on this table right now. So let's check this out. So that says, what's that say? BEP 203. So I don't really know what that is, but it might just be the box brand, who knows. But inside is this marvelous creation of all sorts of goodness here. But here, look at that, 30% off. Someone feel free to go and use WMF30 and enjoy 30% off on behalf of Ernest Thomas and Co. You've got like a bunch of information here about their beard oils, their beard balms available in 30 and 60ml, beard oils in 10 and 30. I'm just seeing if they got a little bit about their ingredients. Sweet almond oil, jojoba, coconut, vitamin E oils in their beard oils, and the beard balms, I'm not too sure, I can't see what the ingredients are. I think they got beeswax, shea butter, cocoa butter, and vitamin oil. So some awesome ingredients there. There's a small card there. Let's just have a quick look at this card. I'm sure a bunch of you can actually read this as well on screen right now. When courting your partner at your favourite establishment and upon encountering a rocky table leg, use this card to prevent food or drink spillage. Awesome little touches like that. And it's got warmest regards, Ernest Thomas and something. I can't read the writing, but it looks cool. So let's take a quick look here. So we've got a Hessian bag here, and we've got a Ernest Thomas and Co body brick, which is cool. So it's not just a beard care product, it's a full body product by the looks of things. It's got some cool ingredients in here. The only thing I don't like the look of is the sodium palmate, because that means it's got palm oil in, but it's just one thing that really, like, I really don't feel comfortable having palm oil in so much of like our foods and products. It can definitely be avoided, but apart from that, overall looks pretty good to me. Some activated charcoal in there, so that's always a good sign. So I'm just going to open this little bag up here. So this has a 30ml beard oil in by the looks of things. It's a drawstring Hessian bag. I'm getting stuff all over the place here. So we've got the 30ml beard oil, and there's actually a beard balm in there as well in this cool little bag. So I'm just gonna, whilst I've got the beard balm here, it's got a bunch of ingredients. I think it's fragrance oil based, all their products. So I don't think the scents are natural essential oils. I think they're all fragrance based, but that's cool. This is the number 30. That smells very, very masculine. Oh, yeah. It smells like an aftershave product. It's really nice. Like I wish more companies did stuff like this. So that's really nice. I'm impressed with that beard balm there. And we've got the number 89 beard oil. It's another scent that smells quite like an aftershave of sorts. Just got a little bit in my hand here. Yeah, that's really nice. Some of the nicest scents I've had from a beard care product. And last but not least, we've got the Ernest Thomas and Co body brick, and this is 175 grams. Oh yeah, that's the lemongrass scent that I love. Yeah, like it's really cool, and it is like a brick. Like they haven't really rounded out the soap bar, which is cool. Like sometimes it just means like it's just a little bit firmer to apply. But I'm a massive fan of soaps. Like, I use soaps from Lush normally, like that's where I go for my soaps. This company, Ernest Thomas and Co, out of all the ones that I've been sent, they probably look the most professional. They look really tidy. Packaging looks lovely. The guys over there, it's owned by 3 brothers. I'll give you a bit more of a backstory when I do the actual reviews in due course. But guys, thanks for tuning in on this unboxing first impressions video. I'll leave a link to these guys in the description below, and I'll see you very soon. Goodbye.